In this ABC tutorial, we'll have a look at the book bar and how we can customize it. The book bar we find up here. And with the book bar, we can set different headings in the manuscript. To customize the book bar, go to Files, Properties, and Styles. In Styles, we have all the headings. Here we can alter the name, the tag, the class, and the text. The name is the name that we also see here on the book bar. Tag is the actual heading. We have a class and text. The text is the text that will be shown in the manuscript. So we could change this one now to new and say new title. Say OK to that. So now we have one that says new here, and if I add that, it says new title. Going back to properties, styles, we can also add a new entry. We can choose any of the existing, press the plus button, and we'll create a copy of the one that we just chose. If we use the minus button, we delete it. We can rearrange by using up and down. Let's move it up, one down. Over here to the left, we can activate the entry in the book bar. If I now say OK, we can now see that the entries have been removed from the book bar. If we're happy with the way that this looks, we can save this as a default. Go to Default and say Save. So the next time we open ABC, these are the styles that we'll be using.